To me.
Hoy todo lo que escucho es esto.
You guys don't have a chair?
No, but we gotta stay right
So
here.
you guys sit up front over
We
there?
gotta stay right here.
Thank you, love. Thank you. Thank you. You guys can sit in that table right here.
Can we move the computers a little bit? Oh, they're ready.
Nope, you're okay. You can just sit right there. Right there. Right there.
Can I pass this stuff?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Ok, ¿estamos listos? Sí. Ok, entonces vamos a hacer silencio y a prestar atención a la señorita. A partir de este momento, ustedes obedecen y respetan a la maestra. Imagínense que yo no estoy aquí.
Okay. So we're going to pretend like that camera's not there, okay? So we're going to be looking up front with me. I need all eyes up here, okay? Okay. And how's everybody doing today?
Good.
Good? Are you guys ready to do some math?
Yeah.
Okay. So I observed you guys a couple weeks ago, actually. Do you guys remember me a little bit? Okay, my name is Ms. Nunez, and I noticed that everybody's really eager to learn here. Are you guys eager to learn? Yes. And you guys are really helpful, right?
Yes.
So I have this problem, and I was hoping you guys can all help me solve it. You think you can?
Yes.
Okay. So I made it for you guys easier up here so you guys can visualize it. All right, this is my problem. I'm 21 years old, and my friend is 34 years old. How much older is my friend?
34.
Yes. Now, we're going to solve this problem using the number line. And everybody knows how to use the number line, right?
Yes.
All right, does anybody know what number we're going to start with?
24. 34.
I need hands. All right.
34.
Why do you think 34? Are we adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
We're subtracting. So what number do you think we're going to start with?
21.
21. Can you come write that up here? All right. Now with really small numbers, I'm going to need you to fill in the number line and solve it with the number line. And while she's doing that, everybody else is going to be solving it on a piece of paper. Yes, I want everybody to use a number line. Now, give me 1 second. I'll give you guys some pencils.
Thank you. We're going to draw it on here.
Yes, you can choose which side you want to draw it on. Just make sure that you guys are doing number line.
I'm drawing this side.
Okay, that's okay. And whenever you guys solve it, raise your hand, and I'll let you post it on the post-it board.
Gracias.
Here you go. Okay, who doesn't have a pencil? You have a pencil?
No.
You don't have a pencil?
No. I just want a
So we
pen.
need 3, 6 pencils. Here's an extra one that you need. I think over there somewhere. Okay, Devin, you can use a pencil. Here's some on here. You can grab one. Wonderful. Give me one. Thank you.
¿Necesitas más?
No, no.
Si necesitas que te ayude a pasar algo, tú me avisas. Y ahí tengo Anchor Charts por si necesitas.
Gracias. Give me 1 second, I'll be right there. Okay, here's 21 because we're subtracting, right? Let's think about it. Just start with 21 and draw as many lines as you need to get to 34. Yes?
How much am I going to draw?
You're at 21. I'm 21, right? How old is my friend?
24.
34. So we're going to figure out how many lines does it take to get to 34. You guys think you have the answer? Let me know. Okay, come here. You can come with me. Good job. Thank you. Okay, you can go back and sit down. And then we're going to post your answer. So put your...
Yes, put it over here.
There you go. Thank you. You have the answer? Good job. Now you can go post it up here. You're done too? Okay. Let me check it. So what's the answer? Thank you. And it's 13. Good job. So we're going to post it. There we go. Can I see it? What's the answer? You need to write the numbers inside there too. Okay?
I get a paper?
You already did it on the big board. Yes. My friend is 34 and I'm 21. So we're going to figure out
They cannot cheat it, mine.
from 21 to 34.
They cannot cheat mine.
They can use yours as guidance, but we're not copying her answer, right? Okay, good job. 34. 34. Let me see it, love.
I erased that number.
Good job. All right, you can post it. Okay, you can just put yours. I'll post it for you. There we go. Oh, don't worry. Let me see. Do you want to try one more time? From 21 to 34. Double check it for me, please. How many is it?
13.
13. Good job. Can you write 13 right there? And you can go post it with me. Okay. Right here. Good job. We can just put it right here. It's okay, Devaney. Oh. What's the answer, buddy?
44.
But what's the answer? That's how old my friend is. How much younger am I? What was it? So what number did you start with?
24.
You're supposed to start with number 21, right? Let me see.
¿Cuál número empezaste? 21.
I think you missed one of the loops. You might want to count it again. One more time. You did the work right, though.
Can I have one more? Because he did it wrong.
Yeah. Here.
Yo lo acabé.
Count them one more time. Good job. Let's go post it. You're supposed to start with 21 to 34. So start 21 all the way to 34. Let me see. Good job. Good job.
Again, the one. Okay.
It's right there. Okay, so we're going to post your answer there. Post your answer right there.
You gotta put the name.
You don't have to,
Oh.
because I know which one's yours. Let me see. You're really close, love. I think you counted one too many. Try counting them one more time. Count them really carefully. Just wait for everybody. And if someone needs help, you can always help them. Don't give them the answer, just help them. Guide them, okay? How are you doing? So we start with 21 all the way to 34, okay? What was that? You want to help someone? Okay, well look at your teammates right here. They need help. Do you have the answer? ¿Tienes la respuesta? ¿Quieres que te la explique? ¿Sí? Ok, so yo tengo 21 y mi amigo tiene 34. ¿Cuál es la diferencia en las edades? So en la línea vamos a empezar con el 21, ¿verdad? Y vamos a ver cuántas líneas vamos a ir para llegar al 34, para ver la diferencia de edad. ¿Cuál? Sí. ¿Sí hiciste el trabajo?
Creo que sí.
¿Sí? Ok, enséñamelo, ¿ok?
Lo tuve que volver a hacer otra vez.
Está bien.
Del otro lado. Porque está muy pegado. ¿Y cómo se pega esto?
Tiene un pen.
¿No estás usando esto?
Y vamos a sentarnos porque así se pueden mover.
Y así. Un día me expliqué.
Gracias.
Son 18 niños aquí.
Sí, hay 18. Estás bien cerquita. Cuenta las líneas, ¿ok? Escribe 21. ¿Segura? ¿Quieres checarlo una vez más y me lo enseñas? Chécalo una vez más.
Is it 13?
You guys can help each other, just don't give each other the answers. And if you guys want to tell your friends, hey, this is how you do it. We're going to count the lines this way, then that's okay. Okay?
He was doing little numbers, but like 36.
Yeah, they can get mushed together, right? So we need help.
Y'all can make bigger numbers.
Thank you. If you guys are done, please sit down. ¿Cuál es la respuesta? ¿13?
Maestra, ¿así? O también hago la...
No, está bien así. Let me see yours. What's the answer?
41.
You think my friend is 41 years older than me?
He's 13.
From 21 to 34? Look. 21 to 34. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that means he's 13 years older than me. You got it?
I know how to do this. Can I go?
Yeah, you can. You can fill it out for me in just a bit.
No, es porque aquí sale la... Me puso una X, pero el 13 ya lo hice.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
She did it on the back.
Yeah. No, she did it. I saw her do it. Those are if you volunteer to come up here like you just did. So look forward to that. All right, everybody's here done? Almost? It's okay. Do you know what the answer is and how to do it? So we're going to draw the number line. Do you want to come up here and I'll show you? Come here. Okay, love. So I'm 21 and my friend is 34. So how many can we go to get to 34? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So let's get your note card and we can post it up because you tried. Good job. Okay. Did you do yours already? Can I post it? Thank you. I love yours. You did a lot on it. I'm going to post Sandra. All right, everybody get in your seat.
Tiffany hasn't finished.
You're helping her? Okay, thank you. Here, let's explain it to Devaney up here. Come here, Devaney. So we're going from 21, because I'm 21, and my friend is 34. So we're going to count how much it takes to get to 34. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. So now do you understand it? Yeah? So you're going to draw the number line starting from 21 to 34, and then we're going to count how many it takes to get to 34. And we can do this later. We're going to move on to the next part. Okay, now that everybody's done, do you guys remember how to do the whole part?
Yes.
Does someone want to volunteer? I already have 1, and 2, 3. So you and you.
And me.
More can volunteer in a little bit. A little bit. Now, which part do you want to fill in? The hole or the part?
The whole.
The hole? Okay, what goes in the hole?
34.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. And you can fill in the part. Which part do you want to fill in? 21? Okay.
And then I know what's the last one. The last number.
And then you can fill in the last one.
It's 13.
13. All right, and I need one more person. Come up here. Can you fill in the answer for me? Where it says answer? The answer. Is that the answer? How much older is my friend?
34.
How much older?
Oh, 15.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. You get one. Good job. You're a star. Great work. And fantastic. There you go. All right. And now we're going to do another activity. This one's going to be fun, and we're going to have to use our imaginations, okay? We're going to pretend that you guys are one person, and you're all a certain age. I'm going to pass out the cakes, and we're going to pretend it's your birthday. And this group right here is going to be 25. So you guys are 25 years old. You guys are going to be 67. Y'all are going to be 58. I got a 27 right here. You guys are going to be 18 and 34. Now, does everybody have a 10 and a 1 chart? You guys don't. Do you guys remember how to fill them in? Okay, let me get some markers for you guys. And now start thinking about how to fill them in, okay? This one, you're just filling in the POH part.
Yes. Right, yes.
Anyone?
I want the blue one. I want that one. I want the blue one.
Do you have one already? Okay, you guys don't have a marker? No. And then you guys are missing a marker? Here you go. Do you guys have a marker? You guys have a marker. Awesome. One and... Good job. Yes, you guys can start. All right, everybody can start on their charts. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. I can put them back. It's not a big deal. We can just put them back. There we go. That's our objective. Yes. You're going to fill in the chart. You guys remember how to fill it in?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What number is the 6 in? What place is it? In the 10th place? Good job. So, you know what to do? Yeah. Can you draw it for me, though? Like, let's do it like this. Look. So, no, she's okay. So we got 1, 2, right? And then on 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's one way to do it. And then you guys already got it? Okay, if you guys have your chart filled out, I want hands up. Okay, so everybody has it done. And right here.
We have to put the tens. I see.
It's okay, you can do it that way too. That's okay. And now do what goes in the ones place. Okay, since we figured that part out, how many 10 sticks are we going to have?
Yeah, Master.
Good job. Go sit down, please. 6? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones? 4, 5. Okay? Okay, how many tens place do we have? 2. How many ones place do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many ones place do we have? How many ones places? How many ones? 8. And then tens?
1.
8 and 1. Okay, Smarties. How many ones? 4 ones? Yes, fan. It's okay, don't worry. Just put it on the thing. It's okay. I have more. And how many ones place or tens place? Sorry. 3? Yes. Okay, so how many tens place do we have? 10s? 2? De nada. And how many ones?
5.
5? 5. Go. Alright, how many ones place do we have?
6.
7.
Oh, 7.
2, 4, 6, 7. And then how many tens place do we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are we? Oh, silly. Okay, I need everybody's attention now. Now this is going to be the math problem that we're going to solve. Aww. It's going to be fun. You guys are going to be 1. You guys are going to be 1. And you guys are going to be 1. Now I need you guys to work in a team and tell me who's older and by how much. And we can use any strategy.
Any strategy you want.
You can use any strategy you want on the paper. But I would love if everybody uses their blocks to use the regrouping. Yeah? So if it's easier and you can visualize it better, then use the blocks. If not, there's a piece of paper that you guys can use. You didn't understand it? It's okay, that's okay. Do you want me to say it in Spanish? Okay. Vamos a hacer este problema. Ustedes van a trabajar juntos, ¿ok? Y me van a decir quién es más grande de edad y por cuántos años. Y ellos tienen 18. Entonces, ¿quién es más grande?
25.
Ustedes. Entonces, dime por cuántos años ustedes les ganan a ellos. Ajá. No, ¿cuántos años les ganan? Es lo mismo que hicimos en el principio, ¿te acuerdas? Y pueden usar sus bloques. Y si ustedes se quieren parar y trabajar acá, pueden hacer eso también. Traer sus bloques y trabajar juntos. Y cuando tengan su respuesta me dicen. This one. So you guys are 27. How old are you guys? On your cake. We're pretending, remember? 34. Okay, I'll be right over. So you guys are going to tell me who's older, 27 or 34? 34 is older. By how much? So you guys can stand up and go work with them. And you can use your blocks, or you can use some paper if you guys want to use paper.
Can we use the blocks and the paper?
Yes, I would love if you do that. Give them to them too. And now you guys can work together as well if you guys want to stand up and work with them. And you guys can use the blocks or the paper. I would love if you use the paper and the blocks. Oh, sorry. Here you go. Did you figure it out? So they're 67 and you're 58?
I'm 67.
You're 67? How much older are you guys apart?
I'm older than them.
Here you go. You guys solved it? Where are we? Where's your team? Right here? Okay. Can you show me how you did it? Okay, let's sit down.
Like How? No te entendí muy bien.
Okay, I'll go right over to explain it to you. So what method did you guys use? Did you use the blocks? Use the part whole? Nice. So it's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's 7, right?
I messed up.
It's okay. Here's another. Try again. 18. 10 and 8 does make 18, but we're trying to see how much older they are from them. Have your friend help you. It's okay.
A ellos ya sé la respuesta por cómo. Con cuántos números.
It's okay.
Is 8 or 7?
Ella sabe cómo hacerlo. Ask her.
Ya sé por
You?
qué. ¿Cuánto le ganamos a ellos?
¿Ya sabes?
Ajá.
¿Me puedes? ¿Seguro? Cuéntalo una vez más. Ya vamos. Okay, you guys are over here. Are we adding or are we subtracting? What's our objective? Subtracting, right?
Plus
So-
or minus?
What is subtracting? Is that plus or minus? Minus. Yes. So you can use the number line or you can use the cubes. Let me see. When you're done, show all of your friends how to do it too, because some of your friends are lost. Help them. Do you need help? Come here. Let's go to your team. Where's your team at? Right here? Let's help him too. You're done. Let me see. Remember, we're working as a team. And if we're working as a team, then we need to help our teammates, right? Yeah. You did the part whole. Awesome. Thank you. Now help them. Explain to them how you got that answer. Thank you. Tell them. So we're going to start with 18. And we're doing the number line, right? So from 18 to 25, how many times? We can use our fingers too. So we're at 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many numbers is that? We use 7 fingers, right? Yeah.
Can I draw some? Okay, no.
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna draw.
Let's see. How did we do this? Okay, who in the group needs help? So we're going from 58 to 67, right? There's another chair right there. It's okay. You can go sit. Yeah, you're okay. You can use your blocks, or you can use your fingers, or you can use mental strategies. Whatever helps. You're really creative. Okay, so let's do it with our fingers, okay? 58. So let's do it. Ready? 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Did you get the right answer? Yeah, you did. Do you want to help your teammates? Alright, help your teammates. Help them understand. Tell them how you did it. What team are you on? You did? Okay, well, we're supposed to be working on a team, remember? So, did she tell you got the right answer? Yeah? Then we're all good. Yeah. I like that. And where are we? Where's your team? Let's go look at it. Yeah? Good job. Give me 5. Awesome. Oh, I like how you guys are doing this. Here. See, she is creating a visual for you guys, right?
When you were not here, he was this and throwing them to the floor.
That's not nice.
Fue un accidente.
Okay, that's okay. Let's move on and keep working on this problem as a team, okay? It's okay. Don't worry. I have more. Did you do it? Here. It's okay. It's okay. You can do that too.
Yo sé por qué cuánto le ganamos a ellos. ¿Le ganamos por 7?
Sí. Le ganas por 7.
7 mi tiame.
All done? Thank you. All right, and once you guys are done, you can drop your cake off. You guys are all done? Awesome. And just drop it in there. Thank you. You guys are working. You can hold on to it. That one's for you. It's okay. Don't worry. And you guys are working on it. Vamos a empezar con el 27. Yep, she's got it. See? From the smallest number to the biggest number to see the difference between those numbers. It's okay. Just flip the paper over. Try again. Look, she's got it. Yes, ma'am. Listen to your teammates. She's got it. All right. Okay, put the blocks. All right, and then since you guys are all done, we can put the blocks up. And I'll be right back with you guys. It's okay, he can keep them. Are you gonna put them up for me? Thank you. Thank you. See. And if you're done, go back to your tables and sit down quietly, okay? 67 to 58. Oh, okay. 58.
Minus 9.
Okay, so 58 minus 9 equals 67. It's 58 plus 9 equals 67. But the number 9 tells you how much older you are. Or younger you are. You guys are younger and they're older. It's okay, keep them in your tables. And if I see that everybody is done and sitting quietly, I'm going to pass out some prizes to those who are sitting quietly in their chair. You can leave it in your desk. Are y'all sitting quietly? Okay, I'll be right there to check it. Are you guys sitting quietly in your chairs? Thank you. Thank you for doing a good job. And then, what was our answer? 7?
I mean 7.
7? Put it in that box right there for me, please. You're finished? Okay, and if we're done, we're sitting quietly in our chairs. I got 2 people sitting quietly in our chairs. I got 1 more person sitting quietly. Thank you for working so hard. Yay! Quietly, and thank you, Devaney. If you have an eraser, then you should be sitting quietly in your chair. Right? It's okay. Si quieres, pero ahorita nada más ponlo en tu escritorio, ¿ok? Did you guys get the answer? What is it? 7? 10, 34. Let's count it. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So it is 7. Thank you, baby. Miss Nunez. Miss Nunez. Thank you. Good job. ¿Puedo poner el PowerPoint?
Just tell me which one.
That one right there.
Este?
Yeah, and then just go to the next slide.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody has an eraser, so that means everybody should be sitting in their chair quietly, right? Okay. So I'm going to do a small activity with you guys just to make sure that we all know our subtraction keywords. Action words. The words that hint out that we're subtracting. Son las palabras que te van a decir que el problema es subtracting, right? ¿Sí? Okay, next slide. Nada más le pongo enter. Okay, so these are our key subtracting words. Deduct, decrease, difference, how many more, how many left. Do these look familiar to you guys? Yes? Okay, so are we ready to do the activity?
Yes.
Okay, next slide. Okay, so I'm going to read the word problem, and all you have to do is clap when you hear a subtracting action word, okay? The temperature was 67 on Monday, and it decreased to 58 on Tuesday. How much did the temperature decrease by? All right, that was really good. Let's go to another one. Amy had 8 crayons, and she gave her friend 2. How many crayons does Amy have left? Yeah, awesome. So you guys do know your subtracting words. All right, so since you guys are all reviewed, and I know that you guys know how to do everything so perfectly, we're going to create our own math problems. You don't want to? Are you sure? It's fun. Do you want green or orange? I'll let you choose. Green? Okay. Let me explain these sheets to you guys really quickly. So we're going to do name number 1 right here. It's a fill in the blank. So you're going to fill in a name, make up a name. If you want to use your own name, you can. And then we're going to use 2-digit numbers because our objective is to use 2-digit numbers, right? So we're going to pick an age from 10 up. And then on name number 2, we're going to pick another name and an age from 10 and up. And then we're going to do the older name here and the younger name here. And that's going to be the math problem that you guys do. You don't have to solve it, just write it, okay? You don't have a marker? Okay. Ready? Are we filling it in? Let's start filling it in, okay? Are we filling it in? It's okay. I can give y'all more if you guys solve them for me. Are we doing good over here?
Yes.
As long as it's 10 and up, okay? What are we doing right here? So name number 1 would go up here, okay? So let's write the names. Instead of writing them down here in between, let's write them up here, okay? Thank you. I don't see writing. What's going on? So let's pick a name. What's going to be the name? Okay, we can write that. Any name.
You're the sub today, huh? Are you the sub?
No. She's right there. What's going on? Why aren't we writing? It's okay. Okay, so vamos a escoger un nombre y poner la edad. Y la edad tiene que ser más de 10, ¿ok? Kim is 10 years old and Jis is 11 years old. How much older is Giselle than Kim? Yeah, so Giselle is 11 and Kim is 10. I like that. Good job. I'll let you guys choose since you guys did so good. Guys are done? Oh my goodness, okay, I'm excited too. I'll be right there. Alright, thank you. Let's see. Okay, Jose is 17 years old and Leilani is 11 years old. How much older is Jose, so we're putting the older name, right, than Liliana? Yeah, I like that. Good job. You guys can pick an eraser. Okay, let's do one person at a time. So you pick one. No hay dinosaurio, sorry. Okay, I'll be right there. Just keep your hand up. Nope. Just don't erase it. Don't erase it. Okay, don't erase it. Thank you. Alright. Josue is 8 years old and Jason is 7 years old. How much older is, let's write the older name. And remember, we're using 2-digit numbers. Do you want to try one more time?
I already know.
Yeah, good job. That was a good try though. But let's use numbers that are bigger than 10. So you can do 11 and another 20. Yeah. And then which one's the older name? Who's older? Hasten. So we're going to write Hasten here and younger. And then on the other one, we're going to write the younger name. Who's the younger name? Josue. Yeah. All right, and don't erase it. Just leave it right here. Pick an eraser. Pass it, pass it, pass it. You don't have to solve it. You just got to write it. And bigger than 10. Bigger than 10. Are those bigger than 10? Nope. Let's try one more time. Okay, baby? There we go. You're finished? Okay, I'll be right there.
I'm creating my desk now, so anytime I need a break,
Yeah, and then who's missing? You two?
I'm already have 3.
Good job. Okay. Can you write the older name and the younger name? Thank you. Yeah. Okay, and we're done here. Remember, we're using bigger than 10. Is 7 and 8 bigger than 10? We're going to pretend to be big boys and girls, okay? We're already big boys and girls, but we're going to be big boys and girls. 10 and 15. And now Kim is 15. That's the older name. Yep, you guys got it right. So let's start with you. Pick one and pass it. Let's pick them quickly. Which one are you looking for?
Like her has.
The flower?
I think there are no more.
Yeah, I don't think there's any more bigger.
You could get a.
You want the star?
No.
That one?
This one?
There, just give it to her, and then you pick one. Don't erase it. They got them because they're done. Are you guys almost done?
Elizabeth erased everything and she's not letting us.
It's okay. We're working as a team. We're working as a team, right? If we don't work as a team, then we don't get erasers. We're supposed to be working with team members. Come on. We're big boys and girls. We're not going to be like this, okay? So let's work together, okay? Thank you. And you need to be nice too and work together with everybody. Got it? So why don't you write this line, and then you write this line, and you write the last line. Okay? So write me the first line, and then pass it to her, and then you're going to pass it to him. And you guys are all done? Remember, we're not supposed to solve it. We're just supposed to write it. Okay, so what is that? Michael is 45 years old, and Claudia is 18 years old. How much older is Michael than Claudia? Yeah, good job. Now, pick an eraser. Don't erase it.